My name is Gouda Ameen. I am a teacher of English in Mostafa Kamel Official Language School, secondary stage, high school. I teach English for students in grade 10 and grade 11. Actually, before the pandemic, we were facing each other. I was meeting them in school, interacting with the students, but since March 2020, we stopped the school and I can't meet my students. So what can I do? What can I do? So I thought I have to think for new ways to deal with my students. So the first thing I did is training teachers. Our teachers are very poorly use technology. So in my place, from my home, I trained a large number of teachers on how to use technology. Also, I was the guide or a helper for them on how to deal with their students, not only with my students. In June 2020, I was the Arabic guest in Tweet Meet. Tweet Meet was a very famous event that Microsoft do in Twitter. The title was Evolving Remote Learning. How can we evolve remote learning? How can we ensure remote learning? So a lot of teachers around Egypt, not only Egypt, in Arabic countries, I taught them, I trained them how to use technology. Also, I helped my students to use Microsoft Teams to meet me, to interact, because we have synchronous and asynchronous. I send them quizzes in forms. This is the asynchronous, but I meet them, I interact with them virtually. I also ask them to do assignments and I correct it. All of us, or of course, this closed the schools during the period of lockdown since last March, has had a negative impact on our students all over the world, not only in Egypt. It causes the loss of instructional time delivered in a school setting. I encourage them to learn more coding in code.org, to learn more courses. Of course, teachers were poorly prepared to support this digital learning, but I helped them, I supported them. Finally, I think we have to work hard with our students and to, I think we don't know when and how these schools are closed. I think we don't know when and how to reopen schools because the spread of COVID-19 has set shockwaves across the globe. When can we stop it? So we have to be ready. We have to encourage our students to deploy the 21st century skills, which are cooperation, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, to let them work in groups. We want to help them to be ready for the upcoming jobs. I give them activities to work in groups to be ready for the future. Also, as ambassador for MergeCube and CoSpaces EDU, I am super ambassador since 2019 till now. How can I encourage my students to learn? So I tried to dramatize their course content using augmented reality. Using augmented reality and virtual reality, I transferred the lessons into drama. So I helped my students to create their lessons, to create new projects using augmented reality. I changed the book from solid books into a very attractive way, which is augmented reality and virtual reality. They loved this way of teaching, and they are They are asking me all the time, what did you do, Miss Lamis? What did you do for us? What is the next lesson you do?